What happened? What did it do, Subi?
Yeah, all of this is not coming up. Oh, Jesus, Steve.
He said it's the wash.
He's gonna poop on me one more time. I think he's gonna get scared when those kids come. He's breathing heavy.
You saw that.
This is gonna be nice for him.